Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue, Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2017 Honda Civic. The exterior color is black, and under the hood we have a 1.5-liter engine paired to a 1-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have LED headlamps as well as an engine block heater. Over at the side we have 17-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Firestone tires, as well as chrome handles and black mirror caps. This 2017 Honda Civic also comes with lane watch. At the rear we have a rear camera with reverse sensing system. At the interior there are loads of driver-friendly features, including power locks, power windows, mirror settings, and a ton of door storage. Heading into the cabin we have black leather seating with adjustments located just on the side. And over at our steering wheel column we have our headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with cruise control options to the right, and to the left we have our media hands-free options. Looking ahead, you can see it has 123,434 kilometers. And looking ahead at our center face, we have options such as navigation, Bluetooth audio, phone, as well as Honda Link. Just below, we have our climate control area, which offers heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin, as well as heated seats for both front passengers to enjoy. Back a little farther is our middle console area, which offers a dual cup holder and a ton of storage. At the rear, passengers have access to power windows and door storage. And heading into the cabin, we have bench seating, which provides a ton of leg space and headroom. If you have any more questions or would like to come in and check out this beautiful 2017 Honda Civic, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We'd like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.